Let's now consider fractions in ascending and descending order. Now, fractions are said to be in ascending order if they are arranged from the smallest to the largest, and in descending order if they are arranged from the largest to the smallest. Now, to arrange fractions in either order, we need to determine equivalent fractions again. In this case, and noting that with a common denominator, it would be easier for us to compare the numerators and say that the one with the largest numerator is the greatest, while that with the smallest numerator is the smallest. So in this case, if we are to arrange a quarter, 1/6 and 5/12 in ascending or descending order, then we need to have, since we need common denominator, the LCM of 4, 6 and 12 is 12. So we can have a quarter, 1/6, 5/12. Then we want to express them to a common denominator. So LCM we have said is 12. So 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 1 would be 3, that would be 2. And similarly, this one we are going to have 5. So 3/12 is equivalent to a quarter, 2/12 is equivalent to 1/6, and 5/12 is equals to 5/12. And therefore, in ascending order, we have the fractions are one over 6, which is represented by 2/12, then a quarter represented by 3/12, and finally 5/12. And in descending order, which happens to be the opposite of ascending order, we simply reverse and start from 5/12 to 1/4 to 1/6. Another alternative way is to convert each fraction as a percentage. So in that case, we are going to have alternative method. So we convert each fraction as a percentage. So a quarter will be 25%. One over 6 will be 16 and 2/3%. And finally 5/12 will be 41 and 2/3. So in this case, the one with the highest percentage is the greatest, and that with the smallest percentage is the least or the smallest. So in this case again, we are going to find that in ascending order it will take order 1/6, a quarter, 5/6, and in descending order it will take 5/12, 1/4, 1/6.